ボールペン
Ball pen, like a pen.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you correct. Thank you. じゃあね、次。ワクチン。
Huh?
ワクチン。
Wakuchin?
ワクチン。
Can you use that in a sentence?
ワクチン。I don't know here in the Philippines somehow how much ワクチン
How much
take ワクチン
How much is the electricity in the Philippines? How much is water in the Philippines? Am I right?
I know
How much internet in the Philippines?
ワクチンyou can take ワクチンhospital
Injection. Glutathione.
No this one is vaccination
Vaccine.
Yeah vaccine
I don't see vaccine. Vaccine.
But vaccine
Because in Japan you don't have letter V.
Maybe next one maybe easy
Okay.
ビタミン
Vitamin.
Okay アルコール
Alcohol.
Okay アレルギー
Allergy.
Okay this one is kind of famous right
Yeah.
いきますメルセデス・ベンツ
Mercedes Benz.
Oh good
Dorayaki.
シェボレ
Huh?
シェボレ
Chevrolet. Chevrolet.
シェボレ
Chevrolet.
Yeah good いきます Maybe next one is easy ポルシェ
Porsche.
Okay good
Do you know Chun-Li?
I know
Porsche.
No 気候賞
Kikosha.
Okay next will be easy マクドナルド
McDonald's.
Okay
In Chinese it's McDonald.
マクドナルド
In Philippines McDo.
マクド
Yeah.
マクド
In Russia it's McDuck.
マクダ
Yeah.
マクダマクダ
McDuck.
ケンタッキー
KFC.
Good
KFC.
KFC
Yeah, KFC.
31
31.
ice cream 31 ice cream
I think 31 ice cream, but we don't have, I think, 31 ice cream.
You have
Oh, we do?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What
That's
stand
nice.
for 31 ice cream
31, like I love you, like 3, maybe 31.
This one is Baskin Robbins
Baskin Robbins.
Baskin Robbins ice cream
Okay. Yeah, I heard that. The Baskin Robbins.
Baskin Robbins right always like offering like 31 kinds of ice cream that's why
Okay, yeah, I know.
31 ice cream Baskin Robbins maybe you can see 31 like here Baskin Robbins and then you 31 you can see next one American dog
American hot dog? Am I right?
American hot dog
American
American dog
American dog. Am I right?
No
You said American hot dog.
not hot dog
Say it again.
American dog
American dog. American dog.
but similar like near American hot dog
Sausage
with
ketchup.
with
Bread.
not bread
Sausage.
but actually bread
Like foot long.
no
Sausage with... What do you put in sausage? Mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise, cheese.
then like bread right
Hamburger.
not hamburger that one American dog
I don't eat American burgers.
yeah this one corn dog
Corn dog?
corn dog
Corn dog.
so corn dog
Yeah, I never even tried corn dog.
really
Yeah, but my hair looks like a corn.
yeah next one klaxon
Huh?
klaxon
Craction? Like craction?
I know klaxon
Like traction, like I'm gonna track you.
I know klaxon
Can you use that in a sentence?
Here in the Philippines super noisy super annoying that klaxon
Pollution.
no
Noise.
no But noise, but not pollution. Noise, but not.
Noise, singing?
Hmm?
Singing!
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Singing!
Not singing.
So what is disturbing for you in the Philippines?
Klaxon is honking. Boo 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 boo. Yeah, we call the klaxon.
What I say?
Klaxon.
No, boot boot.
Boo boo boo.
We
Beep beep beep.
yeah we say beep beep here.
Honking, right? Klaxon. Honking is klaxon. Okay. Almighty.
God, like He's almighty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, not God. Not like that.
Buddha.
Not Buddha.
So I'm almighty.
Maybe.
Maybe I'm almighty now.
Almighty.
Almighty strong. Mighty strong.
No.
Same sentence, please.
You are super almighty because you can do everything.
Like multi-skilled.
Yeah. All rounder.
Yeah.
All rounder.
Versatile.
Yeah, versatile.
Yeah.
You cannot earn points.
Why?
Oh my
I
God.
provided you the answer. Right?
Next one.
Uh-huh.
Next one.
Huh?
Oblato.
Huh?
Oblato.
Demi Lovato.
Demi Lovato.
Yeah. Oblato.
Oblato.
Oblati. Oblato.
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 You should use oblato.
Plate.
No. Plato.
Yeah. Plato.
Oblato.
Oval plate.
Overplate. No.
Is this something you eat?
No.
Something I wear?
No.
Something I use
Sometimes.
in kitchen?
No.
In dinner?
No.
In a house?
Conversation.
Conversation. I need to use mic on my conversation.
No.
I-
Oblato. Actually, this one's coming from French or Italian or I'm not sure.
Oblato.
We use at English. Oblato.
Oblato.
Oblato stands for right.
Oval.
Not oval.
Circle. Circle.
You cannot.
Wait, oblato.
Oblato. Maybe I should use oblato.
Wait, so hard.
Yeah.
Oblato.
Oblato.
Shit. I mean, fudge. It's so hard. Oblato.
Oblato. You should talk with oblato.
With confidence. I should talk with confidence.
No.
I should talk professionally.
I know.
I should talk nicely.
I know.
I should talk loudly.
No.
I should talk softly.
More. Maybe yeah. Almost there.
I should talk
More.
aggressive.
No. Actually, opposite.
Not aggressive.
Yeah. Not aggressive stands for. How can I say in English?
Like tame, like very preserved. Am I right?
Okay. No. You're correct.
So
It's sugar coating.
Sugar coated.
Sugar
I
coating.
used that when
Correct.
I
Yeah.
was-
Okay.
Oh my.
Next one. Gum tape.
Gum tape. Gum tape.
You know.
Yeah, no.
Oh my God. You explain what is gum tape.
I don't even know, but I think it's like gummy bear, like gum tape. No, maybe a type of tape.
A type of tape. What kind of tape?
Like there's the wide and then like adhesive tape, kind of like that.
Right.
Is it white?
Oh, not white only.
Is it transparent?
It has.
Maybe kind of like stickers.
Not
Gum tape?
sticker. Gum tape. Gum tape.
It looks like. I know why. it looks like a rainbow because it's gum. Like gum has a lot of colors.
Not label.
So what is gum tape?
Packaging tape.
Ah. Why it becomes gum tape in Japan?
Yeah, like gummy, right? Maybe.
Ah, like super sticky.
Yeah, but
Just
super
like
sticky.
this. Gum
Yeah,
tape.
yeah.
Like my hair.
Gum tape.
Gum tape.
Okay, next one. Make it easy. Sellotape.
Zero tape.
Sellotape.
It's another type of tape.
Yes, but what kind of tape?
It's not Scotch tape. It's not the packaging tape.
And then?
Scotch tape.
Scotch tape. Yay.
Oh my god.
シャープペンシル。
Shopping cart.
No.
What?
シャープペンシル。
Shopping pencil.
What kind of pencil?
I don't even know. Maybe a pencil you can use when you're shopping.
No. Do you have sharp pencil?
Shopping pencil?
No, not shopping pencil. Can I borrow your sharp pencil?
A sharp pencil, like very sharp pencil.
Yeah, I guess, I assume. Yeah, this one is mechanical pencil.
Ah, the mechanical pencil.
Mechanical pencil, we call sharp pencil.
Oh, so I get a point for that.
No.
Why? It's sharp pencil.
I said sharp mechanical pencil before, you cannot
Oh, you have to play back. I get that.
A judgment. Okay.
You guys are the judge.
Okay. Next one. Soft cream.
Soft cream.
What's that?
Facial cream.
No.
What kind of cream? Puff cream. It's done. Facial cream. Shaving cream.
No. Soft cream, super masala.
Oh my god, kimochi ne?
気持ちいい。
Lubricant.
何気持ちいい。何気持ちいい。Oh my god.
What?
ソフトクリーム。
Soft cream.
やっぱりこれあれなんだね。和製英語なんだね。
Nani?
ソフトクリーム。
Soft cream. Where do you use soft cream? Here?
No.
Here?
No.
Here?
No.
Here?
No.
Here?
No. Actually, we ate yesterday. Soft cream.
Ice cream!
Yes!
Soft cream!
Soft serve ice cream.
Yeah, I got a point. Woo-hoo!
Too much heat, right?
Why? I got a point. I said soft
Okay.
cream.
I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay. Next one. 段ボール。
Dumbledore.
No,
From Harry
not
Potter.
Dumbledore.
What's? It's a kind of ball that is very dumb.
Yeah. Maybe good for using Scotch tape or packaging tape. Dumbbell. Actually, I need a dumbbell with like usually use with Scotch tape and then packaging tape with dumbbell.
I use Dumbledore. No, I don't know.
Cardboard.
Cardboard. It's so sad.
maybe あれね。いきます。I want to go recycle shop.
Recycling shop.
What does it mean?
Kind of like fuck. That's right. In the Philippines, like we have
In short, namely.
garbage
No.
truck one. Recycle shop is like where you replace the box. Say for example, you have bottles and then you convert that to money.
Not that mean.
Recycle shop. Recycle. What do you recycle in Japan?
Maybe recycle, but convert maybe equivalent to the Philippines.
Garbage.
Yesterday we went recycle shop actually.
Convenience.
No.
Hardware.
Sometimes hardware, but not only hardware.
Mall.
Sometimes mall, but not only mall. Recycle shop.
Recycle shop.
Yesterday we went there.
Like massage,
No, not massage. Recycle.
cinema.
Cinema.
Where did we get yesterday? Makati Square.
Oh yeah, Makati Square.
Makati
And
Square.
Alo, there is Alo.
Like second-hand
Ah,
phone.
yeah, second hand.
So a second-hand phone is a recycle shop?
What that?
A second-hand phone is a recycle shop?
Not only phone. Like simply
Simply a shop.
second hand shop for clothing or devices or
Ukay-ukay in the Philippines.
ukay.
Yeah, ukay-ukay.
You cannot Okay. Morning call.
Morning call. Yeah, like when you call it like, Ohayo gozaimasu. That's a morning call.
Usually, that morning call.
When you want to take a pee, like when you wake up, right? And then you want to
That morning call.
morning call. Oh, alright. If you want to wake up and you're like morning call.
No.
Alarm.
Alarm?
It's an alarm. Like I set an alarm and that's a morning call.
No.
Is it morning call? What's a morning call? Morning call is when you wake up. No, if it's
I have to ask someone to rely on.
a friend, tomodachi.
No, tomodachi. Not tomodachi, definitely. Usually.
Help. What kind of help is this?
Yeah. This one is morning call stand for, how can I say in English? Like hotel. And then sometime hotel man, like wake up call.
But I never been to hotels. So.
Wake up call.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah. Thank you for eventually he could not get dorayaki because he's sufficient. Next time you gives me kinda guessing game.
Yeah, so wait, what?
Next time you give me kinda game
Okay.
instead. Next time.
Okay, well, since I lost, probably next time I want to challenge you and try my language if you would understand it, or probably we can do the tongue twisters and I want to hear your accent. Yeah.
Okay. Then if I lost, I provide dorayaki.
I want that. Yeah.
And then how was it Japanese English?
Some cases, Japanese English accent is understandable since I'm exposed watching to anime, but there are some Japanese words that I cannot really understand, like the baby card, like what?
Baby card.
Yeah, like we don't even use that term here, and like the kind of like the mechanical pencil, the sharp. Yes, so it's kind of weird to me, but it's something really new to me, which is really awesome. Yeah.
That's for all today. If you're interested in my channel, or please subscribe and then leave some and then please turn on notification bell. What else?
And stay tuned for his next video.
Yeah. Also, please subscribe his video. I put his description below. That's why check it well. Okay.
Yeah. Sienta flur.
Clutch. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Sayonara. Woo. Sayonara.
Sayonara.
Yeah, sayonara.
Sayonara.